Hello, my name is Isaac. Today I'll be doing a trade recap. So I did take two trades today, one on MNQ and one on MGC, and they were both unfortunately losing trades. So we lost total of about 500. On the eval, we are currently down 685 total. It's not really that bad in my opinion. It's just an eval, and I can easily overcome it. Just ignore this trade, 1%. It's kind of funny, but I've only taken about this was my fifth trade ever, and I've only got one win on it so far. I'm not really angry, it happens. That's like how win rates go, or that's just how it goes, right? You'll have like losing streaks, you'll have winning streaks. It's just like part of the game. Um, so first, let's go on to I think MNQ is what I took my trade on first. So um, let's load that up. So on MNQ, I was looking for shorts, I believe. Yes, I was looking for shorts. So previous day was bearish, as you can see right here. Uh, previous day was bearish. I was looking at. I think it's kind of laggy today, but as you can see, I was looking for this low. Low got swept. I was looking to enter about right here. As you can see, where's my tools? I guess I just don't have my tools anymore, but this was my entry right here. This line was where I wanted to enter. So on the 5 minute, boom. So I entered right here once we got these three what's called bearish candles. We had just swept these highs right here and three bearish candles. They seemed really promising, so I went in, risked about 300 on this trade right here. Max loss was just slightly above these highs, and as you can see today, NQ had other plans. I guess it decided to be bullish. I didn't really look at news, which is kind of idiotic. I didn't check out Forex Factory. I didn't go like on any news like website, so that was kind of stupid. But all right, after that loss, I kind of said, all right, it's whatever. We'll look at gold because I had two setups today, right? Gold pushed. Gold was bullish today, right? We had recently broke out. I was looking at this, so I went on the 4 hour looking for longs. Gold was looking really nice, right? So boom, this is where I was at. We were about. I think I was looking just about somewhere over here. As you can see, it was just unfortunate because we did end up pushing up. So boom, we swept this. I was just trying to look for like an entry because my entry realistically was up here, all the way up here. Um, but with my strategy, if we go below my entry, it's just a better trade, right? It's just better for me. It's not worse or whatever. If I'm looking for shorts and it goes higher than I expected, it's still not like it's still good for me, right? But that's besides the point. So I entered um slightly after we already had like a push up. So I believe I entered uh it was before this right here. So I entered about up here. So not the greatest entry obviously. I was coming over from MNQ, so I'd already missed like a slight bit of the move. Had I known, I would have just traded gold today, but if I had traded gold, that would have been a winning day. But it happens. I entered right about over here. And as you can see, as soon as I enter here, and I'm only risking about 200 on this trade because we already lost 300 on MNQ, and we had a pullback, right? And I can't really like control these pullbacks. I probably should have like waited a little bit before entering, but we had a pullback. Can't really over risk on this. Can't do much about it. Went back down and then shot back up. It is what it is. It happens. Just a losing day, nothing much. That is basically it for today, though. Uh, Thank you for watching. Join the Discord. Peace.